was torn apart. The fighting just never stopped. Me and Cecil, well, there was always something going on. And I'd had enough. This wasn't the way I lived. Look at me. Do I look like a man that would live this way? No. I need to shake this off and get out of here. It's the pigs. I need to lay low for a while. Get my head down. Pretend it wasn't me. It was never me.
Yeah, but boy, you gotta do what you gotta do, yeah? You gotta do whatever. And let's do it now. Let's make a difference now. While there's still time. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. I'm getting in here. I'm gonna dig all these drugs out. We're gonna make a mill. And when we made a mill, the world's gonna know our name. One last big paycheck, boss. One last big paycheck.
We'll see. For now, just gotta keep watching our backs.